Hello.
Hello สวัสดีค่ะ
Hello. How are you today?
Fine. I'm
Okay. Good. Any questions today?
Good. I heard in the Friends TV show
On Friends.
on Friends quality. What does it mean
Quality?
Quality.
Quality. You translated it?
I don't know how spell
Quality. You can just talk.
คุณภาพ
Means made well, right? So if something is cheap, bad quality. If it's expensive, then
Good
quality. So quality is how well it's made.
Okay.
Okay, another question.
Just that no.
Okay, so your friend's here today. So why don't we'll have a short show. You can try to teach her something. Maybe this game that we played or whatever you think is a good, just for a couple minutes.
Maybe I forgot about that.
It will just be fun for 10 minutes and then we'll continue with our story. Okay?
She need or not, right?
Yes, okay. Oh, she'll try. It'll be fun. Okay, so I'll make a cut and then you can start after this, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So then I'll cut there because I don't want to do this again. Okay, so you
About
sit
rock
here.
and what?
You sit there.
Did?
Yeah.
Oh.
Go ahead. You're gonna. I don't know where she's gonna put the microphone though. You know, see if you can. Maybe you put it. You can.
Oh, John. So different
It doesn't
side.
matter. It's just gonna be for 10 minutes.
Different side.
Just put it right.
What?
I think it's okay.
Oh,
Yeah, that would be okay.
John.
Doesn't have
How
to do it.
start, right?
However you want. You can copy mine if you want. I'll put a cut when you start, and then it'll just be for 10 minutes. Okay, go ahead.
I don't know how I can do, right?
That's why. Here, let me get my phone, and then you can start. Okay, go ahead.
Hello. Today we have I have friend come join about a little bit game, right? What's your name? Fern, right? Today we have a game about rock and wallet. What do you say if rock on? Yes, rock on. Rock on.
Lock on again.
Wallet.
Oh, lock
Same one.
on wallet.
This is rock, right?
Don't worry. It's actually good.
The rock is on the top of the wallet. The rock
The rock
is
is
on the top
the top
of
of
the wallet.
the wallet.
The rock is that you say
Between
font
font.
like a first the rock what?
The rock font.
The rock is
The rock
on
is
on
on
the font,
the font
right? Of the wallet.
of the wallet.
Yes. Again, top font beside
Of font beside.
font beside
Beside.
behind
Behind.
behind back behind.
Behind.
If the lock touch, you know,
Yeah.
it you stay on. If touch up, you stay on. The lock is on
On
the top the front of the wallet. The lock is on the top of the wallet. The lock is on the side of the wallet. If the lock not touched, we don't say on. Yeah, the lock is the front or in front of the wallet. The lock beside the wallet. The lock behind the wallet. Okay, again. Oh.
The lock is top the wallet.
Is on top. Is
On
on the
top.
top. Is on top of the wallet.
The lock is on top the wallet.
Of the wallet.
Of
Yes, the wallet.
the wallet. The lock is in front
On.
the wallet.
The lock is on
The lock is on
the front of the wallet.
the front
Of the
the
wallet.
wallet. The front
The
is on
The lock
the lock is
on
on behind
the side.
the side
This of the wallet.
the side
Of the wallet.
the wallet.
Yes. Back.
The lock is on behind of
The back, right?
the wallet.
The back.
The
The
back
back of the wallet. If behind, like that, like it. Is that back?
Back.
Behind.
behind.
Yes. Say that. Say that.
The lock is on bottom of the wallet.
Yes, yeah. The lock is on the bottom of the wallet.
The lock is on the bottom
of the
of
wallet.
the wallet.
The lock
The lock
is
is on
it. The lock is below because not touched.
below.
We say below.
The lock is below of the wallet.
Right? I don't teach wrong, right? The lock is below. Oh, the lock is below the wallet.
The lock
Is below the wallet. The lock
The lock is
above.
above
Right?
above.
Yes.
The lock is above the wallet.
Yes, right. Okay. I think it's right.
Good. Try the the comb and
Comment.
the things over there. Try asking her what. Yeah, those things. Say, what's this?
Oh, right. Easier. What is it?
Pen.
This is
Just
pen?
Yeah, just first.
okay. Right.
And if she is good at it, then you
Change
can ask a question.
or ask question about it.
After you make sure that she knows them first.
Okay. I think it's so hard. What is it?
Is
You lost today.
a key.
Yes. Key.
Key.
Keys. Yes. Good student. I have good student here. What is it? She don't know like me.
I don't know.
Comb.
Comb.
Comb, right?
Comb.
And what is it?
Ruler.
Yes, ruler. same we call
เชฟเหรอ
ออกเสียงสำเนียง
เชฟ
accent you know
เชฟ
tape right
เช
tape
ฟ
okay you
The Rock
rock yeah
how
no you say before the lock is on อะไร
พัด
lock is on อะไร wallet
the wallet
wallet easy now
Try the best one.
oh I need my favorite
comb
no
No.
pose
comb
I think I forgot accent him folk right folk
fork
Good.
Folk.
Now just ask her about her day quickly, and that will be it.
about right
Just say what time did you get up, like that.
oh
Just
okay
for fun.
what time do you get up today
If you need to ask in Thai, it's okay.
she know because I teach she
Okay.
before
again
I woke up at ตื่นกี่โมง
I woke up
at
at
ไหนบอกไทยมาบ่าย
11 p.m.
11 p.m. 11เหรอ a.m.
a.m.
เพราะว่ามันยังไม่ถึงมิดครึ่งตั้งแต่ start 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 a.m. after คือบ่ายโมงอ่ะคือ1 2 3
แต่บ่ายโมงก็จะ
เป็
เป็น น
PM
PM
yes and what do you do after that
I'm go
you have accident today you have problem
I'm gone
go
go
เว้น
when
ถ้าไปแล้วคือเว้น
I went buy food
bought I went
I went
to bought
Dubai.
I went to buy
to buy I went to buy food
I went to buy food
and after that
come
yeah
come go with you
go
Come.
you I mean went to friend room
bedroom when
I went to
I went to friend room
right is that okay you see I think it's enough right
So say bye.
I'll say goodbye right maybe next time you can come join
bye bye
thank you
Thank you